Dyslexic Genius here. I'm back on the Columbia Phonograph, and I'm going to show you how to rebuild the governor. It'll be probably two parts. We got it out on disassembly. These are fairly rudimentary. They're not any adjustments except right here. So what we have to do to take it apart, you'll need a little cup. You'll need 3 different screwdrivers. This little small one is for that set screw right there. This screwdriver is for these screws right here. And the bigger screwdriver is for this, because we always use the right screwdriver for the right slot. So let's disassemble this. What we're going to do is we're going to take this screw out. So we'll have a screw, a cover plate that has a little lip on it, and then we will have this piece right here, and it has, you can see the brass insert right there for running on the governor right here, shaft right here, the pinion. So we'll put all this in a little cup. Now the trick is, how do we get it off this? Very easy. We flip it around. We take out the set screw, which holds the whole flywheel assembly onto the shaft. Now what you do is you just push the governor back this way, grab the end of the governor, pull, and it slides through the hole and pops out just like that. These are kind of like Edison. These are riveted on. The spring is riveted onto the weight, so we'll take this apart. Now we'll use this screwdriver. All the screws come with a little washer. You want to make sure you don't lose those. Let me see how the washer, they'll glue, when you take them apart, you have to look for the washers because they'll be glued down because of the oil on the governor. And then you can see we have this. Remember, we're going to come back and we'll tap this with a hammer to make sure these are all tight. Once you get this all apart, then you have to clean everything. Well, the one-eyed bandit needs the goggles.
Hard with one eye.
Oh, it is sometimes, yep. And that happens. That screw just went bump, but it's on the bench someplace. We'll find it later. And that will happen to you. You undo a screw and the spring will be a little under tension and it'll go flying.
Can't you use a magnetic screwdriver?
Ah, I found the washer to it.
Darling, couldn't you use a magnetic screwdriver?
This is a magnetic screwdriver. Oh. Yeah. Magnetic. But you got to watch out for the washers. That pulls off. You see this, we have to clean the inside here. Per my other videos, we'll clean this. We'll polish this out. And we'll just clean this edge because this is the brake edge and this is the speed control edge. And then you take this piece off like that. And that's pretty much all it is. It will go back together reverse, but I will show you that.
And you're cleaning it with what?
I'm gonna probably clean it with WD-40. Another little trick you can do is if you have a mason jar and a gallon of WD-40, you can put all the bits and pieces and gears into a jar like this, and it'll clean everything very quickly for you. And that's my tip for the day.